Instagram marketing tips for brands and businesses. Hey there, everybody. Instagram is just about the perfect platform for brands and retailers to grow because it allows them to showcase their products and branded content in an entertaining, visually striking way. Whether you're running an Instagram account for a business or you're a brand trying your luck on the platform, there are a series of things you can do to get more results out of your Instagram marketing game. Here are some useful Instagram marketing tips to help you make the most out of the platform. Set your marketing goals straight. Before you go building your Instagram presence full force, it is important that you define your marketing objectives. A marketing objective is what you want to achieve by promoting your business on Instagram. Your marketing objectives can vary according to the stage you're at in your business life cycle, but it is key that you start with the basics. This includes creating brand awareness among Instagram users first, generating engagement to build a targeted audience second, and then promoting your products and services to start moving potential customers down your sales funnel. Now, in case you have already built a presence and audience elsewhere, and you'd like to use Instagram to achieve a very specific objective, you have to start by answering the following questions. Are you going to use Instagram to build brand awareness specifically among Instagram users that you can't reach on other platforms? Are you going to use Instagram because it offers you a better way to showcase your products? Are you going to use Instagram as a customer service channel? Do you plan to use Instagram as a sales channel? Answering those questions will give you a clearer idea of your Instagram marketing objectives. For example, you might want to use Instagram exclusively to run catalog ads to drive sales. Or you might want to use Instagram only to post product pictures with a call to action to encourage users to click on the link in your bio to go to your store. Reverse engineer your competitors. One shortcut that you can take to become more successful on any platform is to reverse engineer what successful competitors in your niche are doing. The people behind successful Instagram accounts know what type of posts generate engagement, what kind of posts stir emotions, and what type of posts drive sales. And they're constantly using those types of posts to get results. So instead of trying your luck with original content or improvisation, we recommend you to emulate the type of content that your top competitors share. You just have to give it your own spin, use your brand voice, and your brand aesthetics. You will see that by reverse engineering content from successful accounts, you will be able to generate results faster, and your account will grow in no time. Audit your Instagram account. A best practice among successful Instagram marketers is to audit their Instagram accounts regularly. Auditing your Instagram account means to take a good look at everything in your Instagram account and examine what's helping you to build the type of account that you want your audience to follow, so you can keep and optimize those elements and eliminate the ones that don't help. Things that you have to audit include your profile picture, the copy in your bio, your URLs, your hashtags, your posts, the accounts that you follow. Take a critical look at these elements and decide what you'll eliminate and what you'll edit. Do this while picturing how a potential customer will think of your account. Create a consistent brand identity. We've mentioned that it is important to keep a consistent brand aesthetic. And this is what that means. A consistent brand aesthetic is the consistency of colors, shapes, fonts, filters, and other elements across your account and content. This will help to build a consistent brand identity that helps people recognize stuff posted by your brand on first glance. This is it, my friends. These tips will give you an advantage that you wouldn't have otherwise, and we encourage you to start applying them today.